It's a great conference. It brings together the thought leaders across all the industry, from the system and infrastructure vendors, all the way through to the carriers and also down to the component vendors as well. Key thing about this conference is it stimulates really lively and proactive debate and discussion, which will help to shape the future of our industry over the years to come. I think it's clear from the discussion at the conference both yesterday and today that capacity is the biggest challenge. And when it comes to capacity, you have two ways of getting additional capacity. One is a system upgrade going to higher data rates. The second is to deploy more fiber. Well, it's fair to say that over recent years, the evolution of systems from 10G to 100G has provided a great increase in the capacity available. It's not totally clear whether beyond 100G, whether the system upgrades will keep pace with the capacity demands. And for that reason, I think that it is likely that many carriers will face the need to deploy more fiber very soon. And a key thing for them to think about when they're deploying fiber is making sure they put in a capacity robust fiber. And what do I mean by a capacity robust fiber? I mean a fiber that has got ultra low attenuation, as low attenuation as possible, like for example Corning's SMF28 ULL fiber. These fibers enable a much higher system OSNR, and so they provide you with the ability to have very low cost 100 gig systems and a very low cost pathway to 400 gig, 1 terabit and beyond. Well, a key perception in the telecoms industry is that the cost of civil work to deploy fiber is very high. And indeed, in many cases, that is true. But when you consider the capacity challenge that we're facing, it's very likely that carriers are going to need to deploy more fiber to cope with the capacity demands very soon. And so we need to address that cost of civil work. The good news is that there is already installation technology, fiber cable installation technology out there that can help reduce the cost of civil works. And that is mini cable, microduct and micro-trenching technology. And these technologies can help to reduce the cost of civil works to deploy fiber by up to 70%. And in doing so, they can make the option of deploying more fiber to increase network capacity a near-term rather than a long-term reality.